are watching IndiaNewsTamil.com.
By the end of this evening. But welcome to Master Night 2021 on behalf of Indian Media Works. I take great pleasure in inviting all of you to this wonderful event. Tonight is going to be triple the fun, triple the entertainment, because we have three fantastic events planned for you. We have Mr., Miss and Mrs. Thamizhagam 2021, and no, that's not the three events I was talking about. On top of that, we also have Indian Women's Foundation Awards, which is going to be incredible considering we just celebrated Women's Day this month and we're still not recovered from the hangover of celebrating all the women around us. I think this is going to be great. And we also have the IFL Fashion Awards 2021. So I hope this excites all of you. And to begin this event on an auspicious note, we're going to start with the usual lighting of the lamp. And for that, I would like to request on stage Mrs. Jaya Mahesh. Can I hear a round of applause for her, please? Mr. John, Miss Janani Iyer, Miss Shanti, and Miss Meena Chabria.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and
Good evening, everyone. It's such a pleasure to be here and feeling extremely honored and lucky to be a part of this event. Thank you so much for inviting me. I've come all the way to Mumbai and it's been a year that I've traveled to Chennai, and seriously, like when I was traveling, all the memories came up, and thank you for having me here.
Good evening, everybody, and thank you, John and team, for inviting me and being a part of this. We've done a lot of hard work and put off a great show. Patience is the word, and yes, it's for a good cause, so I'm happy that we are all here to support the cause, and congrats to all the winners. Thank you so much, Sharon, coming all the way from Mumbai. I mean, the situation, considering the situation out there, thank you so much. So, let's all enjoy the show. Congratulations once again.
Good evening, everybody. It's my honor to be a part of such a beautiful gathering right now, and congratulations to John and to Indian Women Foundation for such a beautiful initiative of giving 1 lakh rupees to the Women League Foundation. I'm sorry for that. So we have adopted a village, and they are taking care of children, which I think is such a noble cause. And especially after the pandemic, it's great to see entrepreneurs coming out and doing brilliant initiatives like this. So all my support for you guys, and thank you so much.
IWF. ரொம்ப நல்ல விஷயங்கள் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கீங்க. So John, congratulations and best wishes. Do a lot more good work and inspire everyone. And I'm just enjoying the event. Guys, enjoy it. Thank you. I'm not a great stage speaker, so kindly excuse me for that. அதாவது 2 மாசத்துக்கு முன்னாடி பார்த்தீங்க அப்படின்னா ஜான் அப்படின்றவர் எனக்கு யாருமே தெரியாது. ஓகே, I run this foundation called Women's League Foundation, where we work towards empowering women, mainly focus on financial independence for women. So, இப்படி பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கப்போ already 4 villages we have adopted. We have started 3 schools. இந்த மார்ச் 8 கூட வந்து ஒரு 10 underprivileged residents சிறுதொழில் வச்சு கொடுத்துருக்கோம். And our plan is to adopt 100 villages, which is in the next 3 years, which is quite ambitious, but I know we will be doing it. So, we are doing a lot of initiatives that you all know. Raising funds for this is not easy. We know government picture we approach people, and there are a lot of things turned down. But yes, whatever our savings are, my team has been putting in, approaching people, and we have been showing results. So for any of the initiatives, please see us, we are actually working on it. So I said, I don't know who John is. I randomly made a call to him because I know he's working on an event and he's working on a cause. நிறைய பேர் வந்து காஸ் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி ஈவென்ட் பண்ணுவாங்க, but nobody, most of them don't actually work on that. So I called him up and said, see, I run an NGO and I'm doing it. And is there any way where you can contribute me through this? Because you are talking about Indian Women Foundation and awards and working on women empowerment. He said, send me your profile. I literally had to give an interview with him. I sent my proposal, explained him this is what the cost is, and then he said, Divya, I believe in this cause. I'm going to join with you and I'm going to give you cash. And this is what he promised. Trust me, it's not a pocket-making event, but he's taking money from his pocket and giving me. And these 2 months, trust me, it's been I don't know how much of support I've extended, and I got a brother in him. Amazing gentlemen. Thank you so much, John, for being there. Thank you so much for your support. And I would like to thank each and every one of my team who has been reaching out to people and working on the ground in making this dream of us possible. Thank you so much.
Like, share and subscribe to IndiaNewsTamil.com.